Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today I have my packet over here and I'm gonna unbox it right now. Okay, first let's start right over here. Okay, let me open this right here. Oh, it's starting to, like, I love it. I love this. I need to break this first. Let me use my scissors to open it. And I need to open this tape first. I am so happy that I got this so much because I always wanted this. So, and I get it. So I'm so happy today. I'm so excited that I just break this whole thing. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh my. Let me open it, guys. So cool. I love it. How it works like this. And the unboxing, it's like protected. So it didn't like flower or something crazy. Like I love it. I love this so much. So we get one first. How should I do it? Okay, I'm gonna use my scissors to open it. There. Okay, I already got my first one. This is what I really wanted. Okay, I need to get another one. Oh, it's the banana. Wow, it's the banana. I always want the banana. And also this, the crazy cube one. Okay, let me just get. All of these are from Crazy Cube, but I don't know which store that my dad buys. Okay, this is so hard to take with it. Come on, kid. Come on. Oh, there you go. It's already open. It's already open. Okay. My last package is the Maze Cube. This is so cool. I love it so much. Wait, is this? Oh yeah, I forgot. There's another one. Ooh, this is so cool. I love it so much. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. Now I will show you how to play. First is this one, my favorite one. Okay, let me open it. How does it open? I don't know. Okay, let me just. There you go. Now I know how to open this. Let's get it out. Oh, that's this one. Yay! I love it. Yay! I love it. I love this. So it's apparently like this, and you just one and another one, and you can just open like this. It was like this, and then you turn like this, so it's like that. Whoa, this is so cool. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. Okay, now let's turn to this one. Okay, let's just open it. Where should I open this? Oh, right over the bottom thingy. Okay, let me open this. How to open it? Oh boy. Come on. Come on. Okay, I don't know. Oh, is it from the top or from the bottom? I don't know how to like break it over. Oh, there you go. Okay. I got this amazing. This is so amazing. Wait, I can just play it like all day. Wait, started with good. Yes, I did it. Okay. How you play it is like this. You can find any layers and you're gonna find the ball. I don't even know the ball is. It's escaping. Oh, it's inside. How? How? Okay, I don't know where's the ball, but oh, here's the ball. You can just find it like that or something. Yes, like that. And then you can play it when the balls just go to the pole like this. That means you win. But I got this bonus triangle, so for like standing the cube like this. Okay, on to the next one. My favorite is the banana. Okay, let's just open this. I'm so mad if I cannot open this. Oh, is it right? Oh, yeah, I need to this. Oh, I will finally. Okay, there's the rules. It's Chinese, I even cannot read it. Okay, love these. This is a banana. I love it how it works. It works like a cube. There you go. This is a 3x3. This is a 3x3 cube. And then we can just spin it around. So when we spin around, if we spin like this, you have to eat the banana like this. That's hilarious. Okay, now we can just leave. Okay, I'm gonna like solve it. I'm gonna try to solve this. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, just like that. Like, oh, I did it. I did it. Okay, this is messy. Okay, guys, I still wanna play this. This is so cool. So cool, so gorgeous, so I love it so much. Okay. Now let me try to solve this again. Okay, ready, set, go. Like that. I did it. I did it. Okay. Now we are. Oh, it's over there. Okay. Oh, yeah, just like that. To the food. So we can see that. No, 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 no. Poop. I need to poop. I need to poop. This is so hard. Oh, I did it. I go in the hoop. Yay, finally. Finally, I can just the champion. Okay. I really like how it turned out. It didn't make squeaky noise. That's just only this cube because it bumps like that. Because this can turn like that. And the same problem over here. So it makes like that sound. Okay? Now we can, you have to eat the banana like this. Like, this is too hard. Okay, now let's just turn it around. Okay guys, now do you want to see this one? I picked the colors white, but there's a lot of colors that I don't know. Okay guys, now we can, that's my baby girl over there. Okay, we can just, that's so satisfying. Okay, like this. Okay, yes, I can play this all over. Okay, now I am gonna, okay. You want to see the cube no, the standing cube? So it's like this. It's a triangle and there's shape over the side. And then there's a big triangle inside. You can put your cube right over here. You can just turn it and until you find it slowly. Like this. Okay, and then if the banana, I can solve it. It's so easy. Okay. Ready, set, go. It's too easy. It's like easy. Okay, now on to this one. It's in the hole, so it's hard to get. Wrong! Where's the ball? Where's the ball? I cannot see the game. Where's the ball? I cannot. Actually, how to play this is actually a maze. There's a ball in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. So you can do all the layers. That's hilarious and hard. And guys, please that you subscribe right now. In 3, 2, 1. You have to subscribe or not. I won't give you where do I buy this? Okay, guys, now I am gonna play again. Okay, okay, guys, I will help you how to solve it if you subscribe. Yes, okay. The first you stop to scramble is like this, and then like this, and like that. Okay, guys, thank you to watch this. I hope you have a great day. Bye.